Now, I'm going to lean it up against the tree right here and rinse it good all over. Now, hold on, I'm going to turn it around. Now, wrench this side too. That's good, too, boy. Now, let me put it back together. I told you it's complicated. There you go. Now, that's what she looked like. Call that a Coonass microwave. Now, tomorrow, while we're cooking, we're going to turn that meat only a couple of times because you don't want to lose all your heat. It's a slow cooker. 7 hours, get the beer cold. Okay? We're going to see you tomorrow morning when we light the fire.